I'm Frank, the low carb cocktail guy. I put a poll out on a couple of my different social media platforms. What would y'all like to see next? And hands down, it was some mixers, some keto friendly mixers. So we're gonna start the whole thing off with, I think, probably the #1 requested cocktail that I'm getting from everybody is that's a margarita. There's a bunch of low carb and keto margarita mixes you can buy on Amazon and maybe even at your local market. They're not horrible. Well, one of them is horrible. Yeah, one of them is absolute hot garbage. But the other ones aren't horrible. They're just not good. They all just taste like a sour mix. The one thing that's missing from all the mixes, that, in my opinion, is a little bit of an orange flavor, because your margarita is tequila, lime juice, and an orange liqueur. They all taste like lime sweetener or something that you put in with the tequila. It's not a margarita. So enough jibber jabber. Let's go ahead and let's make our keto-friendly margarita mix. So we're gonna start off with something just to put it all in, because we're measuring a good amount out. I'm gonna start off with your lime juice, or in my case, my lime oleo citrate. Check out the video right there, and you'll see how I make a lime juice with 0 carbs. Otherwise, if you use some fresh lime juice, it's gonna have about 2 carbs per serving in it. That's your preference. But this, in my opinion, the super juice or oleo citrate tastes even better than fresh lime juice, in my opinion. So we're gonna start off with a measuring cup. Here it is, measuring cup. We're gonna do it with 8 ounces of a lime juice, or like I said, oleo citrate in my case. 8 ounces of this. And next we're gonna go with our Keto Simple Syrup. This one is made with RXSugar. Man, I love this stuff. There'll be a discount code below. You can pick some of that up yourself. I'm gonna go with 8 ounces of our Allulose simple syrup. And next to that orange component is our orange extract. We're gonna do 1 tablespoon. So it's kind of simple. 1 cup of lime juice, 1 cup of simple syrup, 1 tablespoon of lime juice. Did I say lime juice? Yeah. You got the picture. I've drank a little bit today before I got started. And that's really all you have in your margarita mix. Stir that together a little bit. Get yourself a little jar, mason jar, whatever you like. So we're gonna go fill this up. And these are little snap top jars you can get over, I think I get these at Dollar Tree or something like that. I think that's where I got them. And there you have your keto margarita mix. So did you think we weren't gonna make the margarita? Come on now, y'all should know me better than that. So the way you do this, the ratios for this is very simple. 2 ounces of your margarita mix. 2 ounces of tequila. Put some ice in that, shake it all up, put it in a margarita glass, have a good time. Like I said, in a margarita glass, you can put a little fresh ice if you're inclined to, or you can dirty dump it in there, that works too. Strain that on in there. Yes, indeed. Screw the garnish, ain't gonna be around long enough to have one. Frank's Famous Keto Margarita. God, I love this drink. It is so freaking simple. So, and like I said, this made 16 ounces, so that's 8 margaritas. You can have a friend over, or 4 friends over, or you can drink all 8 by yourself. I'm not judging, because I'm not gonna say I haven't had 8 margaritas before. Maybe I have. I don't know if I should admit that or not, but yeah. Anyway, so Keto Margarita mix, super simple, 3 ingredients, 1 cup of lime juice, 1 cup of simple syrup, with 1 tablespoon of orange extract. Like I said, I do use allulose, I do use RX sugar specifically, and it's just the consistency that I get out of that is amazing. Love it, love it, love it, love it. The lime juice, I do my oleo citrate. Like I said, check out that card I showed earlier. You know what, I'll even leave one in the description below. Make sure you check out that video on how to make your own zero carb lime juice. I'll have my next video coming out soon, and that is the Mai Tai mix, how to have a delicious keto Mai Tai. All right, guys, thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a great day, because 8 of these, I'm gonna have a great day too. Plus some Mai Tais, hell yes. See y'all later.